How do you add a hiring badge on LinkedIn? To add the hiring badge to your profile. 1. At the top of your LinkedIn homepage, click the me icon. 2. Click View Profile. 3. Under your profile photo, click Open. 4. A pop-up window will appear, then you can select a present job offer or create one from scratch. Click Add to your profile and the hashtag hiring picture frame to your profile will appear. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.